Hello, content creators! Today, we're delving into the world of YouTube Shorts, exploring strategies to significantly increase your views. Buckle up because we're about to transform your Shorts game. I will tell you 5 YouTube Shorts tricks that will boost up your views, so keep watching until end because all the 5 points are very important. If you miss any of them, then you may not get boost to your Shorts. Usually, YouTube recommends your short after uploading. For some time, you get views through YouTube short feed, but after some time, suddenly the views get decreased drastically. You may be facing this problem. So let's start to solve our creator's problem. Subtitles. Have you ever observed this? Many of the shorts with subtitles go viral because it attracts the viewers and you get good audience retention. This may work really well for short videos. As my observation, shorts with subtitles get good audience retention. Use the editing apps which generates the subtitles for you. I personally recommend the CapCut application for generating this kind of subtitles. Trending music. This trick is usual trick you all know, but many of us don't do it. Using the trending music may get you more views. Some may create their own video by using the music. Go search for trending music and search for the shorts, which are attracting the viewers and getting more views. Try using the trending music in your shorts. This may help you to grow. Audience retention. This factor plays an important role in both the long video and in short videos too. Usually in shorts, YouTube counts the percentage of people watched and percentage of people just swiped without watching your shorts. If your watching percentage is good, then YouTube will try to recommend your shorts. You will get more views, and for good viewing percentage, you need to make the shorts interesting at the beginning so that viewers continue watching the short till end. Wow moments. Actually, this part plays a very important role in shorts, especially. Some channels upload the videos on just showing some interesting videos to the viewers. This wow moments keeps the audience engaged, and hence you will get more views. Try making some unique things in your shorts. This may get attention, so try including the wow factors in your shorts. Trust me, it will be very engaging and very interesting. Simple titles. Simple titles helps the viewers understand the motive of your shorts easily. Actually add tags related to your shorts, but keep the title as simple as possible in shorts videos. As much as you keep the title simple, your audience understand in one view. The simple title looks attractive too. So guys, this were the 5 tricks to boost up your YouTube Shorts views. These 5 tricks are totally genuine. If you follow this and make your shorts interesting, then you will achieve getting more views. So this was today's video on how to get more views on YouTube Shorts. I think this video has helped you for planning your future shorts differently. If this video has helped you, then do subscribe the channel more creative contents like this, and keep supporting the new channel. Until then, I will catch you in the next video.